Hello YouTube. In this video I will be showing you how to scrap this Tobii Lowe's steamer. So, I've already removed the attachment right here. It's a nice little feeling and it doesn't damage your clothing. And the water gets filled up here. There's a little trigger on the back that you press to release some of the liquid and atomize it, make it into a steam. So, yeah, I've only removed two of the three screws on the top here. The top one's a bit too recessed for me to get to. And also there's one little tri-ring screw I need to remove right there. So, first thing, undo the wire right here. This is a nice long cable. And there we go. Easy as that. And we got ourselves some number 2. My scrapyard always takes all wires number 2, so yeah. That's why I always refer to all my wires number 2 as stated. Ourselves a nice little plug end, which will have 3 pieces of brass. Here, here, and here. Put that to the side. Finish undoing the tamper-proof bit. As you can tell, I am once again using a tri-ring screwdriver, and I'm going to basically stick my screwdriver into there. There we go. There's our pesky tri-ring screw. And now it's on to trying to get that last screw out. Usually if there's one screw, it's not that hard to open up because you could just move it from the bottom to the top. It's going to be a bit annoying though because this little cover holds it in the way. But like that, open it up, and we can see the little water delivery system. Pull that out. This too may be useful for some people, but for me, it's just junk. This little piece of steel on the end of the spring. That was my steel. Plastic. Now I want to undo the 2 screws are not going to come off. Move this out of the way real quick. Alright. Turn this off. Alright, there we go. It's not coming off. I'll just use some brute force. There we go. So this top part is, the bottom part's done, the handle. Now, onto the main unit. There we go. So we got ourselves our wire junction here. We just cut off these 3 wires. Put this in with our number 2. And the other end. this piece is just some plastic trash. You pull these out, and this top part here is plastic as well. And now we're getting on to the main part of the unit. You can just snip these off. You snip these wires off. So number 2. Some more number 2. Right there is a thermostat. These are found in a lot of heating appliances, like coffee makers, dishwashers, dryers. So yeah, these have pieces of silver inside the ceramic. Probably want to wear some, face protection when you do that, because the, I don't know what you call it, the little particulates from the ceramic you don't want to inhale. So yeah, just some basic precaution. There we go. So here's some plastic. That might be Bakelite, but I doubt it. I don't even know what Bakelite is. I know it's just a very hard plastic case that's had a long history. I doubt it is, so. Anyway. So yeah, aside from that, this whole piece here can be, I don't know what that is. Anyways, it's the same kind of material from what you would find in a iron. So yeah, it's basically like an iron, but a bit different. So procedure will probably be very similar. Just some screws, remove the screws, pop out a couple switches, and a thermostat, and this one piece here that provides all the heat. This little thermostat helps regulate the temperature. If it gets too hot, it switches off the circuit. Thus no more heat can be produced. One. Okay. So inside here, there's going to be a little bit of silver. You want to crack that open and pull out the 2 little pieces of silver. They're usually pretty thick. Other than that, that's some plastic. What that is. I don't know. I'm really not too sure what this material is. Anyway. But yeah, here's a little piece of metal. Yeah. So yeah. Since I'm not too sure, unfortunately I don't have a magnet on hand with me, I'm just going to put this in with my steel. Though it's probably not steel. It's just some, unfortunately, don't have a magnet with me. So yeah, that's about it for that little piece of equipment. So yeah, I hope you found that video interesting and useful. Please like this video if you got some information from this. Please comment and tell me what you think, and any suggestions on what I could do better, or even some future things you'd like to see videos on. Please let me know in the comments below. So anyway, I hope you found that video, once again, useful. Please like, comment, subscribe for more content in the future from the Scrap Man, and I'll see you guys later.